Why appearances are deceiving. How human factors and human errors can lead to accidents under seemingly normal operating conditions. In critical workplaces and human-system interaction, the importance of human factors and human error is crucial, as the effects of accidents can often be catastrophic, both for people and the environment. This is true for many industries, especially for workplaces in the chemical industry. Despite sophisticated engineering control systems and strict safety protocols, accidents can be caused by human error, especially under seemingly normal operating conditions. The complex interplay of chemicals, pressure, temperature, and reaction conditions places high demands on employee attention, decision-making, and action skills. Fatigue, lack of communication, poorly defined responsibilities, or inadequate training can lead to wrong decisions that have fatal consequences. In such contexts, it is not only the individual error that is important, but also the system dynamics that make such errors more likely. This can include organizational weaknesses, deficiencies in the safety culture, or unclear work instructions. A systemic approach to incorporating human factors into risk analysis and process design is therefore essential. This is the only way to identify and eliminate latent conditions that increase the risk of human error. Analysis of past accidents in the chemical industry shows the need for an integrative view of human and technical aspects to improve safety culture and preventive measures. Human factors and their impact on the process industry. Inadequate training and education. One of the critical issues in the process industry is the lack of sufficient training and education for personnel. Without adequate preparation, employees cannot effectively handle complex situations and emergencies. This leads to increased error rates and compromised safety standards. Poor communication. Another significant factor is poor communication. Miscommunication or lack of communication between team members, departments, or organizations can lead to misunderstandings and errors. Effective communication is essential for coordinating efforts and ensuring that everyone is on the same page, especially in critical situations. Human error in operation. Human error remains a common issue during the operation of equipment or systems. Mistakes made by operators or crew members can result in operational failures and safety incidents. Continuous training and implementation of checks and balances can help mitigate these errors. Fatigue and stress. High levels of stress and fatigue among personnel can impair judgment and decision-making. When employees are overworked or under constant pressure, their ability to perform tasks accurately and safely diminishes. Addressing workload and providing adequate rest is crucial for maintaining high performance and safety. Failure to follow procedures. Ignoring established protocols and safety procedures is a major risk factor. When employees do not adhere to the prescribed methods, it can lead to dangerous situations and accidents. Ensuring strict compliance with procedures is essential for maintaining operational integrity. Cognitive bias. Decision-making influenced by cognitive biases can lead to errors in judgment. These biases, such as overconfidence or confirmation bias, can distort reality and result in poor decisions. Awareness and training on cognitive biases can help in reducing their impact. Inadequate emergency response. Poor response to emergency situations often stems from a lack of preparedness or training. When employees are not well-versed in emergency protocols, their reactions can be slow or inappropriate, exacerbating the situation. Regular emergency drills and training are necessary to ensure readiness. Overconfidence. Overestimating one's ability to manage risky situations can lead to negligence. When personnel believe they are more capable than they are, they may take unnecessary risks, jeopardizing safety and operations. Encouraging a realistic self-assessment and humility can help mitigate this issue. Situational awareness. Lack of awareness about the current status and potential risks in the operational environment can have serious consequences. Situational awareness is critical for anticipating problems and responding appropriately. Continuous monitoring and real-time data can enhance this awareness. Supervision and leadership. Poor supervision and lack of strong leadership can lead to mismanagement. Effective leaders are essential for guiding teams, enforcing safety protocols, and making sound decisions. Investing in leadership development is key to fostering a safe and efficient workplace. Human-machine interface. Ineffective design of interfaces and controls can complicate user interactions and increase error rates. Ensuring that the human-machine interface is intuitive and user-friendly can significantly reduce operational errors and improve efficiency. Cultural attitudes. Cultural attitudes towards safety and risk, including complacency and acceptance of risk, can influence behavior. A safety-oriented culture that prioritizes risk management and continuous improvement is essential for minimizing hazards and ensuring long-term success. Key organizational and procedural factors influencing accidents over the last 75 years. Safety culture. One of the most critical factors influencing accidents over the past 75 years is the safety culture within an organization. This encompasses the overall attitude, beliefs, perceptions, and values that employees share regarding safety. A strong safety culture promotes vigilant behavior and a proactive approach to risk management, thereby reducing the likelihood of accidents. Risk management. Risk management plays a pivotal role in preventing accidents. This involves the systematic process of identifying, assessing, and controlling risks to the organization's capital and earnings. Effective risk management strategies help in anticipating potential hazards and implementing measures to mitigate them before they result in incidents. Maintenance and inspection. Regular maintenance and thorough inspections of equipment and infrastructure are essential for preventing failures. Ensuring that all machinery and systems are in optimal condition minimizes the risk of breakdowns that can lead to accidents. Consistent maintenance schedules and rigorous inspection protocols are key to maintaining safety standards. Standard operating procedures, SOPs. Established standard operating procedures are vital for ensuring safety and efficiency in operations. SOPs provide clear guidelines for employees to follow, reducing ambiguity and the potential for errors. Adherence to these procedures ensures that all tasks are performed safely and consistently. Emergency planning and response. Effective emergency planning and response are crucial for mitigating harm and damage during unforeseen events. Detailed plans and procedures for responding to emergencies enable organizations to react swiftly and efficiently, minimizing the impact of accidents. Regular drills and training enhance preparedness. Regulatory compliance. Adherence to industry regulations and standards is fundamental for ensuring safe operations. Regulatory compliance not only prevents legal repercussions, but also ensures that the organization follows best practices in safety management. Staying updated with evolving regulations is essential for maintaining compliance. Resource allocation. Adequate allocation of resources, including finances and personnel, is necessary for safety and maintenance. Investing in safety measures, equipment, and training demonstrates a commitment to protecting employees and assets. Proper resource allocation ensures that safety is not compromised due to budget constraints. Management commitment. The commitment of management to prioritize and invest in safety measures is a significant factor in preventing accidents. When management actively supports and promotes safety initiatives, it sets a tone for the entire organization, emphasizing the importance of a safe working environment. Incident reporting and investigation. Effective systems for reporting and investigating incidents are critical for learning from mistakes and preventing recurrence. Encouraging a culture of transparency where employees feel safe to report incidents without fear of retribution allows organizations to address root causes and implement corrective actions. Cross-functional coordination. Effective coordination and communication across different departments and functions within the organization enhance overall safety. Collaborative efforts ensure that safety protocols are integrated into all aspects of operations and that potential risks are addressed comprehensively. Technology and innovation. The adoption of new technologies and innovative solutions can significantly improve safety and operational efficiency. Technological advancements, such as predictive maintenance tools and real-time monitoring systems, provide valuable insights that help in preventing accidents. Contractor management. Ensuring that third-party contractors adhere to the organization's safety standards and procedures is essential. Contractors should be thoroughly vetted and trained to understand and comply with the same safety expectations as internal employees. This alignment ensures consistency in safety practices across all operations. I will be discussing several psychological theories that explain the identified causes of certain phenomena, particularly in the context of workplace safety and performance. Cognitive load theory by John Sweller. Cognitive load theory examines how the cognitive capacity of our working memory affects learning and performance. This theory is crucial in designing instructional materials that optimize learning by minimizing unnecessary mental effort. Many workplace accidents have occurred because operators were overwhelmed by excessive cognitive load. This overload impaired their ability to process critical information and make effective decisions, leading to errors and mishaps. By understanding and applying cognitive load theory, we can create environments that reduce cognitive strain and enhance safety and efficiency. Appraisal theory by Richard Lazarus. Appraisal theory posits that our emotions arise from our evaluations of events, which lead to specific emotional responses based on the perceived significance of those events and our coping potential. In critical situations, the emotional responses of individuals, influenced by their appraisals of the events, often determine their ability to respond effectively under stress. For instance, if a worker perceives a situation as threatening and believes they lack the resources to cope, they may experience anxiety, which can impair their performance and decision-making. Recognizing these emotional responses and their underlying appraisals can help in designing better stress management and support systems in the workplace. Self-determination theory by Edward L. Deci and Richard M. Ryan. Self-determination theory emphasizes the importance of intrinsic motivation in driving human behavior. This theory highlights three fundamental needs: autonomy, competence, and relatedness. When these needs are satisfied, individuals are more motivated and engaged. In the workplace, the motivation levels of workers, influenced by their perceived autonomy and competence, significantly impact their engagement and adherence to safety protocols. Workers who feel autonomous and competent are more likely to take ownership of their tasks and follow safety procedures diligently, thereby reducing the likelihood of accidents. Social identity theory by Henri Tajfel and John Turner. Social identity theory explores how individuals derive part of their identity from the groups to which they belong. This group membership influences their behavior and attitudes towards both in-group and out-group members. In a workplace setting, the sense of belonging to a work group or organization can significantly influence individuals' adherence to group norms, including safety practices and risk-taking behaviors. Workers who strongly identify with their team are more likely to conform to established safety standards and support collective efforts to maintain a safe working environment. Communication accommodation theory by Howard Giles. Finally, communication accommodation theory delves into how individuals adjust their communication styles to accommodate others, aiming to gain approval and improve communication effectiveness. Ineffective communication and the failure to appropriately adjust communication styles can lead to misunderstandings and errors, exacerbating the impact of accidents. For example, if a supervisor fails to adapt their communication to suit the needs of their team, critical safety information may not be effectively conveyed, leading to dangerous situations. By understanding and applying this theory, we can enhance communication practices and reduce the risk of errors. In conclusion, these psychological theories provide valuable insights into the various factors that influence human behavior and performance in the workplace. By integrating these theories into our practices, we can develop more effective strategies to enhance safety, performance, and overall well-being. I want to discuss the ironies of automation in the introduction of AI within the process industry. While AI and automation promise increased efficiency and reduced human error, they also introduce several paradoxical challenges. Reduction of human supervision. The first irony is that despite high levels of automation, these systems still require significant human supervision and intervention. For example, while AI systems can efficiently detect anomalies and alert operators to potential issues, the final decisions and solutions for complex problems often still rely on human experts. This necessity for human oversight underscores the enduring importance of human judgment and expertise in highly automated environments. Shift in responsibility. Another irony lies in the shift of responsibility. Automation systems are designed to minimize human errors, but when these systems fail, the responsibility often shifts to human operators. For instance, if an AI system malfunctions or makes an incorrect decision, the human operator is frequently blamed for the mismanagement of the situation. This paradox places a heavy burden on operators who must not only monitor the AI but also bear the consequences of its failures. Loss of skills. A significant irony of automation is the potential loss of human skills. As operators rely more on AI systems, there is a risk that their problem-solving abilities and technical expertise may deteriorate over time. For example, if operators consistently depend on AI to manage processes and solve issues, they might lose their capacity to address problems independently, leading to an increased dependence on automated systems. Over-reliance on technology. Over-reliance on AI is another ironic outcome, which can lead to complacency and poor decision-making. When operators place too much trust in AI systems, they might ignore critical warnings or fail to double-check AI recommendations. This overconfidence can result in significant errors, as the operators might not question the AI's decisions, assuming them to be infallible. System complexity. Finally, the irony of system complexity comes into play. Automation, intended to simplify operations, can actually increase the complexity of systems, thus raising the risk of errors. AI-driven systems can become so intricate that only a few individuals fully understand how they work. This complexity can create vulnerabilities, as the knowledge and expertise required to manage these systems are concentrated in the hands of a few, potentially leading to critical knowledge gaps. In conclusion, while AI and automation bring numerous benefits to the process industry, they also introduce several ironies that must be carefully managed. These include the need for ongoing human supervision, the shifting of responsibility, the potential loss of skills, over-reliance on technology, and increased system complexity. By recognizing and addressing these challenges, we can better integrate AI into our processes and ensure that it enhances, rather than hinders, our operations. We will explore the critical human lessons that can be learned from various industries and the key requirements to enhance performance and safety across different sectors. Enhanced situational awareness. First, enhanced situational awareness is crucial. Continuous training and advanced tools are essential for developing accurate situational perception among employees. By regularly updating training programs and integrating innovative technologies, we can ensure that individuals remain aware of their environment and can make informed decisions swiftly. Managing cognitive load. Next, managing cognitive load is vital. System designs should aim to minimize cognitive overload, allowing operators to focus on critical tasks without being overwhelmed by excessive information. Simplifying interfaces and prioritizing essential data can significantly reduce mental strain and enhance overall performance. Effective error management strategies. Effective error management strategies are also imperative. Training employees in error detection and correction enables them to identify and address mistakes promptly. By fostering an environment where errors are seen as opportunities for learning, organizations can improve resilience and reduce the likelihood of repeated mistakes. Strong group dynamics. Strong group dynamics play a fundamental role in organizational success. Building team cohesion and clearly defining roles within teams are essential for efficient collaboration. Teams that work well together are more likely to communicate effectively, support each other, and achieve their goals. Effective leadership and authority. Effective leadership and authority are critical, especially in crisis situations. Training leaders in crisis management and team motivation ensures they can guide their teams through challenging times. Leaders who can inspire and maintain calmness under pressure are invaluable assets to any organization. Promoting a safety culture. Promoting a safety culture is a non-negotiable requirement. Encouraging the prioritization of safety and adherence to protocols helps in preventing accidents and maintaining a secure working environment. A strong safety culture is built on the commitment of every individual to follow safety guidelines rigorously. Clear and effective communication. Clear and effective communication is the backbone of any successful operation. Establishing clear communication channels ensures that information is conveyed accurately and promptly. Miscommunications can lead to errors and inefficiencies, making clear communication practices indispensable. Timely information dissemination. Timely information dissemination is equally important. Quick and accurate sharing of information allows for better decision-making and response times. When information flows freely and rapidly, organizations can adapt to changes and address issues more effectively. Robust feedback mechanisms. Robust feedback mechanisms are essential for continuous improvement. Systems for receiving and acting on feedback help organizations to identify areas of improvement and implement necessary changes. Encouraging open feedback creates a culture of transparency and progress. Adherence to standard operating procedures, SOPs. Finally, adherence to standard operating procedures, SOPs, is crucial. Consistently enforcing SOPs ensures that tasks are performed correctly and safely. Standardized procedures provide a clear framework for operations, reducing variability and enhancing reliability. In conclusion, by incorporating these key requirements, enhanced situational awareness, managing cognitive load, effective error management strategies, strong group dynamics, effective leadership, promoting a safety culture, clear and effective communication, timely information dissemination, robust feedback mechanisms, and adherence to SOPs, we can learn valuable human lessons from all industries and apply them to improve our own practices. Thank you for your attention.